Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Um, I have a problem where this Elba air conditioner, portable air conditioner, run out with the wheels, so it just left two. So I just bought this wheel that can break and uh, caster. So the link will be below the video if you interested. In case if your Elba micro air conditioner, portable air conditioner have a problem also with the wheels. So it's just nice because of it's very hard to get the one with good size, the old and the new. So it's very hard to get the same size. So I just got it, and I'm so happy. So I'm gonna do the installation now. So we're gonna bring out the old one first. I don't know how come until my wheels became half like that. Mm. So if you see the whole 1, 2, 3, and here also 1, 2, 3 hole, and below 1, 2, 3, and below here 1, 2, 3 also. So I'm going to install all four, but I will just show you one only, then the final will be, and I will show you the final also, but not now. I'm going to do this here. So basically I just managed to screw only one for each side, one, because I think the hole is not aligned, also only one. So let's see how it goes. So let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching.